Today we're gonna play some basketball. I don't know. I threw it in there.
That's not it. Here,
Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's start playing. Andrew. Drew.
What?
Okay, so pass here.
Come on, dude. Let's start playing pig.
It seems like it's gonna be a severe thunderstorm. I think it's gonna be a severe thunderstorm warning.
A severe thunderstorm warning.
But I doubt it.
What's up? Sorry, I just got a text from my mom. Oh my god. What do you want, Mom?
Oh my gosh!
Oh shoot! Get in! Oh shoot!
Oh wow, it's stopped. Oh gosh, it's back on.
Oh gosh, get in!
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Come on, get out!
Okay. Stop it. No, keep it out. Well, the tornado, keep it out.
Oh! Get down!
You gotta keep it on the whole time. It's okay, guys. I'm down in the basement.